to the Master Digger channel. Today we're at a little job that we did last fall. So we got this pile right here of dirt that we have to move. Came from beside this shed here, or this walkway over here. Gotta move this pile to a field down the road to put in some trails for the homeowner here. And we gotta, where Tim was there in the excavator, we gotta cut some dirt out there and put a driveway in. So I just got it ripped down, pile a little bit of snow in the field where we're gonna pile up the dirt, then start loading it out and running it down the road here. Little bit of an update. It's only we aren't quite done yet today, but we ran into a bit of a snag. So we got most of this pile moved out. Probably got another 4 loads or so. Back there, Tim was working on breaking frost out for a driveway. That's probably gonna get cut out. So we ran into a little bit of an issue with the old Peterbilt. It broke the rear leaf spring for the airbag. You see that little piece of steel there? That holds the back axle in place. So we gotta go drop it off and get it fixed up. To be continued. Okay, so it's the next morning. We had to shut it down a little early yesterday due to the fact that we broke a leaf spring on the back of the Pete. So we got another guy hauling for today. Got Tim over here. He's breaking frost up with the breaker, the little frost pick there. It's just a little too thick for it. I've got the little 31 lacquer skid steer here, track loader. We got this little pile to move and this little bit here. Should be about, I don't know, 5 or 6 loads maybe. And then we're gonna go down the road to where we're stockpiling it, and then we gotta transfer it from where we're piling it in the bush, or where we're piling it in the field to the bush. We're gonna use it to make pathways with it. So yeah. But that's what's going on now. Got our little driveway in here, gravel. Got the pile all cleaned up. Can't hear me, but the pile's all cleaned up. Hauled it down the road. Show you that in a sec. This was our little dumping area, so we took it and windrowed it back there and over there. Cleaned everything up, and we're done for this one.